Hey, what's going on guys? This is Sing from reviewofsoftware.com. Welcome to my email CopyDyno review. As you can see right now, I'm inside a member series of the email CopyDyno. I will give you a full demo exactly how does this software work. If you know email CopyDyno, but you're not be sure how does this software work and what exactly you're getting inside this software, in this video here, I will cover everything you need to know. And I also put a lot of custom bonus that I would like to give for you. So what you need to do now, click to the first link in the description of this video. Then it will take you to my bonus page, look like this. Then you click to any orange button here, you go to the sale page like this. Okay. So before we go to the folder about the software, about the my bonus page, if you're first time come to my channel, click subscribe, click to the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. So right now, let's get started. So first thing first, what is email CopyDyno, right? Email CopyDyno is a software that will help you create very high convert email. So a lot of people say money in the least, right? But if you want to make more money from the leads, so it depends what email you are sending to your customer, right? What email sent to your customer, that's really important. So if you know that to write a email high convert, that it takes a lot of time to learn. It takes around 4 months to 6 months to learn. Or if you want to rent some people to write for you, you can rent freelancer write for you, but a lot of work and your rent is very expensive, right? So that's why email CopyDyno software come in. So in this software, this will help you create very high convert Gmail. So just simply answer a few questions. You just simple answer few questions, then you have very high convert Gmail, which I will show you just a little bit later. You can see right now I'm inside member series. Here you can see here they have create email and they have views. They have views say and email, and they have view say answer. This is the dashboard, and you go to the create email. Here they have a lot of type of email you create. You can create any niche. You can create any niche. You see here, this is the listener newsletter, and this is Gmail for webinar. This is Gmail for affiliate promoting. This is email for car abandonment, and this is a lot of more here. You can see here, this is have Gmail discount, Gmail product loss, B2B cloud email, and JV invite email, and short operate squares. This is everything you need in one place. So if you take you can learn, right? You can learn, but it takes a lot of time, right? And you not be sure, you not be how to write a convert email, right? So in this software, they have any type of email you want to send to your customer. And the good thing is that all the email you answer the question, all the email on here is really high convert. I will show you a little bit later. Here you can see here I have saved Gmail. I save few Gmail on here, and I'll open to you. You can see here you answer few questions, and then this software will generate already for you 5 Gmail. It's really high convert. You see, this is learn how to make money online. For example, you see here, it's really high convert, and the Gmail here automatically add your link to this. Okay, you see this already add your link on here. You just simply you can make this the letter, you can change over here. It's really easy to do. I will show you just a little bit later. Before we go to the folder about this software, I would like to show you my bonus page here, and everything about my bonus I would like to get you. So what you need to do now, click to the first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page. It look like this. So just wanna make you know, just wanna let you know that this email CopyDyno gonna be launched in a 21 October, which is today. If you are watching the video right now, you can go ahead to purchase the product. You click to the first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page here, and click to any orange button here. You go to the sale page, look like this. Then you click to any button here, you are good to go. So they have 30-day money back guarantee. So I will show you the price just a little bit later, but right now let's go to the folder about my bonus page here. Here I break in my bonus page here, I break down everything you need to know about the email CopyDyno right here. And yeah, so down here I have prepared for you special bonus. This bonus that I only prepared for you guys as I create this video, and I will give for you. So here I have my over 14 high quality bonus that I would like to give you, right? So the first bonus I give you today called SEO keyword mastery. Look, any business need SEO, guys. Any business, any affiliate need SEO. So that's why I have include my bonus I give for you here. This bonus I will show you how to find the honest and the most profitable keyword the right way. Okay, so this is really high bonus, very high quality bonus I would like to give you. And then bonus number 2, I will show you how to do retargeting. Retargeting, guys. You know that if you spend a lot of money to advertise them but not convert, so here I will show you how to do that convert. I will show you how to retargeting for your audience. And then bonus number 3, I will show you do Bing ads. Bing ads is really important, guys. A lot of people do Google ads, but not a lot of people do Bing ads. And the good thing about it, Bing ads is the old people searching on Bing ads. And the old people that have more money, right? So they're searching on Bing ads. So this is, I really recommend you to post the product and choose my link, because here I will show you how to get more customers from Bing ads. And then bonus number 4, I will show you do video marketing. Look, every business right now need video marketing. Video marketing now is the king of marketing, because that's really high convert. You can see now any website right now they have video on there. That means the video marketing is really high convert. So here I will show you how to do marketing, video marketing as well. And I have a lot more right here. Feel free to jump ahead to my bonus page and you can see that yourself. And the bonus number 8 here, I will show you do review blogging. Review blogging, that's kind of like a website. So a lot of people, you charge you a lot of money to build a blog, but here in my bonus I will give for you free. Everything here, 14 high quality bonus here I will give for you free. Okay, so I have a lot of bonus right here too. So to client to hold my bonus here, you need to come here and purchase the product before my countdown time here, because if my countdown time, my bonus will expire and my bonus will not available for you. So make sure you come here and purchase the product before my countdown time. So once you purchase the product, and you purchase the product, how would you access to my bonus, right? So once you purchase the product, you go to the JV Zoom and you go to your history post product. Then you go down a little bonus down here called bonus video. Then you click on that, you will access to hold my 14 high quality bonus here I would like to give you. Okay, all right. Alright guys, so that's everything about my bonus. You need to post the product before my countdown time, you will access to my 14 high quality bonus. Okay, so alright, so that's everything about my bonus. So right now let's go detail about how to use email CopyDyno. Right, let's go. Alright guys, so right now let's see what is the price for this wonderful software, right? What is the price is really important, right? So right now click to the first link in the description of this video. If you're still in my bonus page, you go down here, you go down to the Gmail CopyDyno funnel. You go down here, you see here, this I break down the price that. So here from the end for the personal license and also the commercial license, the price is $47. $47, and then you can access to everything. I already show you right here. You access to everything, right? So the only $47. You can lose. This is, I think, is very good price because if you rent a freelancer, you rent a freelancer, it takes like 4 months to learn how the strategy, how to write good Gmail. That takes a lot of time. But here, $47, you will access to the software. Then you can write, you can just simply answer a few questions, then you have very high convert Gmail. That I think $47, that's a really good price to you start. So I definitely recommend you just choose the first price and see how it works, and then if you like that, you can upgrade later. Okay, so in here you see here they have few upsell. Okay, they have few upsell. The upsell number one, $67. The customer will receive autoresponder, integration, and auto send Gmail, create and your Gmail AR. Unlock the ability and refresh create Gmail. So if you don't like that one, you can refresh and review an interest new version with one click. Right. So in here they have a lot of things here going on. They have upsell a lot here. Feel free to jump ahead to my bonus page and enjoy that yourself. Right. So that's they have upsell number one is $67, and upsell number two is they have plan monthly plan and yearly plan. You see, yearly plan for $197 and monthly plan $27. Right? They have few upsell right here. Upsell number two, you see here they give them 5 funnel, new funnel to new funnel a month. A lot of upsell right here too. But what I recommend, you can just jump ahead to the first price right here, $47. That's, I think, is a really small price that you can create very high convert Gmail. So I definitely recommend for you just choose the first one, then see how is it. And make sure you know that they have 30-day money back guarantee. That 30-day money back guarantee. So no worry, if you don't like the product, you can ask for the refund after 30 days. Okay, after 30 days. So alright, so that's the everything you need to know. Make sure you know that my bonus will expire if the countdown time hit to 0. So my bonus will expire. So make sure you come here and click to any orange button here. You go to the sale page, then click to any button in the sale page right here, any button like this, then you are good to go. Alright, so let's see, hold my bonus here. I spent a lot of time to put together, so I know my bonus will help you grow your business faster. Right, let's see, the bonus number one is SEO keyword and Google Ads and Bing Ads. I'm sure you do video marketing and a lot more. I think you don't want to miss my bonus right here, because all my bonus here with high quality. I spent a lot of time to put everything together. So I hope you like it. So alright guys, that's it all about my video about the email CopyDyno. I hope you like this video. If you are first time to my channel, please subscribe, click the bell icon. Every time where I upload a new video, you get notification. So right now, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.